Forget what you know. We all know how important water is for our lives. However, when you drink water the wrong way, you may be wasting all the benefits it offers. About 60% of our body is made of water, and this is crucial for the proper functioning of every system. So what happens if you're not drinking enough water or drinking it in the wrong way? You'll feel constantly tired. Your skin will dry out, and signs of aging will appear quickly. You won't be able to concentrate, and you won't be efficient in your daily tasks. These effects may not be immediately noticeable, but over time you'll start to feel the toll on your health. The good news is that with the right hydration plan, you can prevent all of these. Moreover, it can benefit not only your physical health, but also your mental well-being. Now, I'll share some tips that will correct misconceptions and bring health into your life. Common mistakes. Stop these right now. Many of us unknowingly make these mistakes when drinking water. Drinking water. When thirsty. If you're drinking water when you feel thirsty, your body has already given a warning signal. It's much better for your health to drink water regularly throughout the day. Drinking too much water at once. Don't fall into the trap of the more, the better. This can put stress on your kidneys and upset the balance in your body. Drinking cold water. Especially during meals, cold water can negatively affect your digestion and lead to stomach problems. Drinking from plastic bottles. Plastic bottles can release harmful chemicals when exposed to temperature changes. Prefer glass or stainless steel bottles instead. Each of these mistakes can negatively affect your health in the long run. Particularly, inadequate water intake is the main cause of health problems ranging from headaches to kidney stones. Let's talk about how you can fix these issues. Proper hydration habits, simple tips for your health. Drinking water the right way is actually quite simple, but it requires consistent habits. Make it a habit to drink a glass of lukewarm water first thing in the morning. This will activate your metabolism and help you get rid of toxins. Drink a glass of water before meals to prepare your stomach. However, drinking too much water during meals can make digestion harder. Try to consume 2 to 3 liters of water a day. However, this amount may vary depending on your activity level and weather conditions. In a moment, I will share ways to make drinking water more fun and natural recipes to enhance hydration. Make hydration fun. Delicious recipes. Drinking plain water can sometimes feel boring. Here are some natural recipes that will make your water more flavorful and easier to drink. Fruit water. Add sliced lemon, orange, mint leaves, and a few pieces of cucumber to a pitcher of water. Let it sit for a few hours and enjoy. Herbal teas. Especially on cold days, you can increase hydration with teas like chamomile or linden. Coconut water. This beverage, which is a natural source of electrolytes, is a great way to hydrate your body. These small changes will not only increase your water intake, but also provide a delicious health boost. 7-day hydration plan. Transform your health. By simply changing your water drinking habits in 7 days, you'll feel more energetic, notice a visible glow on your skin, improve your digestion, and cleanse your body of toxins. Here are some easy steps. Drink warm lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Don't forget to replenish the fluids you lose after exercising. Drink a glass of water before bed to support your body through the night. The miracle of alkaline water. Take your health to the next level. Alkaline water balances the acidity in your body, boosts your energy, and rejuvenates your skin. Try this recipe and see the results for yourself. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water. Stir and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. This small change can have a big impact on your health. Also, I will discuss how salt lamps made from Himalayan salt purify the air. Bonus information. The benefits of salt lamps. Himalayan salt lamps increase negative ions in the air, which improve your mood and help you sleep better. Using one, especially in your bedroom, can lead to a more restful night. These small changes can significantly transform your health. Your health is in your hands. By incorporating these tips into your life, you can take the first step toward a healthier and more energetic life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.